Thank you for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it's the I have added eggs to Maria cookies. Look how delicious it came out. Something surprising. In the blender I will add a package of Mariah's cookies of 200 grams and 6 eggs. Then I will add 1 liter of milk. It must be at room temperature. Now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of vanilla. Do not stop adding it because it will give a delicious flavor to the recipe. Finally, I will add a cup and a quarter of white sugar. And I will turn on the blender to liquefy everything very well for 2 minutes. Guys, this recipe is unique and different. It is very easy to make and it looks delicious. I'm sure everyone will like the result. After 2 minutes, I will remove the glass and reserve the mixture for later. Next, in a pot I will add 4 tablespoons of white sugar and mix constantly until you get a candy. At this moment I would like to know from which country or city you look at us to send you a special greeting in the next recipe. The greeting in today's recipe is for Nelsa Pulga from Philippines, also for Natty Press from Nigeria, and Debbie Wiedinger from United States. Thank you for always seeing and enjoying our recipes. Now I will spread the caramel around the pot, this way as I am doing. Once spread, I will let the caramel rest for 10 minutes to cool. After the time, I will add the mixture of the blender. If you have come this far seeing today's recipe, that means that you are liking this recipe. So leave us here below the following message: I love the flan, to send you a very special greeting. Once the mixture is added, I will cover the pot with aluminum foil very well. Here I have a carder with water, which I will use to take our homemade flan to a bain-marie. I will let it cook for 50 or 55 minutes. After having spent 55 minutes, I will check if our flan is ready. With a stick I will push it, and if the stick comes out clean, our flan is well cooked. Otherwise you must let it cook for 10 more minutes. I will take it out and wait for it to cool a little, and then take it to the fridge for 2 or 3 hours, so that it takes more consistency. If you want to leave it all night, much better. And already our homemade flan with Maria cookies is ready. Look how delicious it looks, but I would like you to rate this recipe from 0 to 10 to know if you liked the result. Thank you for watching this recipe until the end. I hope you liked the result. Tell me if it's the first time you see one of my recipes. And if so, don't forget to subscribe on YouTube as Cheunoe and activate the bell so you can always receive our recipes. A hug and see you in the next recipe.